water entering the ship below the waterline, and the permeability, the percentage of the compartment space other than occupied by water signifying impact ship stability. Building reduced buoyancy changes the horizontal gravity and can cause less of tilt or trim, both stern. Permeability affect on how much buoyancy is lost during building. Affect how much buoyancy is lost during building. But effect of building. All of buoyancy when compartment is building, water enters the replaced air, effectively reducing the ship submerged volume and thus its buoyancy. Drop change. The reduced buoyancy causes the ship to sink lower in the water, increasing its drop.
Center of gravity shift. Building usually in a defensive compartment can shift center of gravity, potentially causing a less tilting to one side or trim change, bow or strain up. Reduce metacentric height. Bulging can lower the ship metacentric height, making the ship less stable and more prone to recessive rolling or capsizing in buoyancy. Free surface effect. Partially filled tanks with lower ballast move freely during bulging, further shifting the center of gravity and reducing stability. Increased risk of capsizing. If a severe cases, bulging can lead to such a significant reduction in stability that the ship become vulnerable to capsizing, especially in challenging. Impact of permeability. Buoyancy loss. Permeability determines how much of compartment's volume can be filled with water, directly influencing the amount of buoyancy loss during bulging. A higher permeability means more water can either enter, leading to a greater reduction in buoyancy and stability. Stability calculation. Permeability is a crucial factor in stability calculation, particularly during damaged stability scenarios. It helps determine the extent to which ship's stability is compromised by flooding.
Countermeasures. Compartmentalization. Dividing a ship into watertight compartments helps to insulate the effect of bulging, minimizing the overall impact on stability. Waterproof. Bulkheads. Maintaining strong and watertight bulkheads is essential to prevent water from spreading rapidly throughout the ship. Resting and counter flooding. Using ballast tanks or other counter flooding system can help to restore stability after bulging by adding weight to counteract the flooding. Monitoring and control. Continuous monitoring of tanks levels, drop, and stream is crucial for detecting and responding to changes in stability due to bulging. Training. Crew members need to be trained in damage control procedures and how to assist and respond to the effects of bulging. In summary, bulging and permeability are crucial factors in a ship stability, and understanding their effect is essential for safe navigation and operation of vessels.